Okay, today I want to take a minute to introduce you to the Mazda 3 with some new technology called SKYACTIV. Basically, what SKYACTIV is a vision and an idea of allowing Mazda wanted to dramatically increase efficiency without any loss of performance and responsiveness. They started with the engine itself, and basically what that is the SKYACTIV G. And what that is, what that concept entails is Mazda wanted to find a way to increase fuel efficiency and also performance without sacrificing any performance. Basically what the SKYACTIV G does is, number one, they changed the compression ratio, and that is on the Mazda 3 12.1. And basically what that will do for you, that rivals some of the sports cars, some of the highest class sports cars in the world, in the sense that Lotus, Ferrari, and Corvette kind of have that type of compression ratio, but they require the use of premium fuel. Mazda was able to incorporate this using regular unleaded fuel. Now, the problem you will have with when that compression ratio is that high is the fact that it will cause engine knock. So Mazda had to figure a way to get around that, and they came up with advanced direct injection, and they also changed the pistons from a dome top to volcano top. And basically what that means is this allowed the vehicle to be able to now have 15% better fuel economy and 15% low-end RPM torque. In addition to that, the Mazda came up with what they call SKYACTIV Drive. That is the transmission, how you get from point A to point B. So what they did with that is they wanted to be able to say, hey, how can we make this vehicle a fun vehicle to drive by the shifting, and they incorporated the best parts of a manual transmission and an automatic transmission to come up with what they did is they took the torque converter and added a multi-plate clutch to give, again, better fuel economy, and also they wanted to be able to have the performance of that particular transmission with the same feel as a manual transmission. In addition, they came up with SKYACTIV MT, which is the manual transmission for those who like to shift their own gears. In that particular situation, they wanted that to rival or be comparable to the shift feel that you have on the MX-5 Miata, which allows for a light, crisp feel, and also gives you the sports car feel when shifting. So basically, SKYACTIV is the wave of the future right now. I believe that Mazda engineers have designed and come up with a way where, number one, they want to incorporate the fact that that consumers and cars can exist in a way that is allows the customer to see that Mazda is on the cutting edge, and they're in the forefront of everything that is going to give us the rival of, number one, with the engine, in the sense that it gives you the gas mileage or the gas efficiency of a diesel in a gasoline engine, so you don't have to resort to buying a higher priced hybrid or diesel engine. And that